Carter, you two. If you don't select who's gonna do the intro, then I'm gonna do it myself. Let me do it! Fine. Decode, is that okay? Yeah, I guess. Alright. Welcome to the second half of episode 7 of The Logo Show. Ahem. The Logo Show. By Logo and BFDI too. This is where we left off. Alright, now it was your fault for ripping Sesame Workshop. Can we just recover? Wow. Well. Here we have them. The bad boys. I'm gonna send you two to jail. There's nothing you can do about it. I'll recover her, but I don't know how. But I'll try my best, officer. Of course. Ass and evil Decode. Go to jail. Alright. But this is all your fault. No, it's not. You ripped her. Honestly, it was all your fault. No, it was not. Yes, it was. No, it was not. Yes, it was. No, it was not. You boys can stop fighting, or I'll make you stay here for infinite. Understand? Alright. Who's in this, help me? I'll help you. Good, TVP2. Come with me. Anyone else? Huh? No one. Okay, I guess no one has a helping spirit except TVP2, which is the only good character here. Hey. I just want to say thank you to Barca200696A for picking me as his favorite character. So I'll help out, because now, well, I still have an aggressive spirit, but I guess I'll help out just for now. Alright, so here we have Sesame Workshop, but now we have to recover her. Here's the code I'm gonna type in. I'm so bad at binary code! Step aside, TVB2. I'm in high school, so I should know this. This keyboard. Okay, TVP2, you can do this. Alright, I understand this keyboard. Beep, boop, boop, beep, boop, beep, beep. Okay, this is set. Okay, now we just turn the valve and let her in. I wanna. Oh, what was that? I think we've cured Sesame Workshop. Hi guys! You look so different! For some reason at least. Wow! I will be forever grateful for your presence. Cool. Now, who's here to celebrate? Cubo, Teenage Viacom, and TVP2. Not much. But I guess this is at least a party. Right? No? Sesame Workshop! Good to see you. Hello, P-Head. Come Come on, wife, come on. Okay, Kay, what is it? What is it? Look. Eee! Step aside. Whoa! Ow. There's nothing there. Oh, no. Ah! Ah, there we go. Hi, Sesame Workshop. Hello, madam. Just call her madam. Ignore him. All right, I will. Whatever you say, madam. Come on, Mrs. Peahead. We're going. Bye. Bye-bye. That was cringe-worthy. But guess what you are? What? Cringe-worthier. Ah! Why do you always have to splat back me or whatever that's called? Ah! Wait, I'm a paper cutout. I can't actually scream. Ah! Chill, Cubo. I'm not Cubo, Cubian. How dare you? Put me down. Alright. Ow. I look fine. Not much has changed about you. You're just like weird now. How dare you? You just made me sad. At least we recovered the workshop. Cool. Now, what if I told you next episode? I have a friend to show you all. But you have to wait next episode. Ha 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 ha. Bye.